This is an update on what has been done so far with the sewage here. With my previous video, I was mistaken that this was not the outlet for the effluent. This was a ventilation. This was an outlet for ventilation. So the plumber put this ventilation pipe in. He just joined that onto this hole, and he also dug down further than I did, and found this drainage pipe, this sewage pipe, an old clay pipe. And all he did was he cut out a piece in that pipe and cleaned the pipe. And now when I go further down, I see it comes out here. All the effluent comes out here. That's where it comes out. But that's not legal, and it stinks here. It's not it's not how it's done. So what you have to do now is dig a trench along here, along this slope, 20 meters of it, for the effluent to drain into this trench. So that's the next job I have to do, and that's what I will get the digger for. And I have to cut down all these bushes here. Maybe that tree as well. Maybe not. Yeah, just trim that branch off, and then work myself along here and dig 20 meters of trench. I could as well do it in this direction, but I believe it's better to do it in that direction because I got the path along here anyway, and I can work myself maybe off that little path. I will see. And this is water supply pipe from the river water, I believe. That's how it looks at the moment.